In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly open Jotform tables and import data from your Jotform forms. This step can be a powerful way to organize and analyze your data efficiently. Whether you're managing a few responses or handling a large data set, integrating your form data into Jotform tables will help streamline your workflow. First things first, let's get you set up by opening Jotform tables. Jotform tables is an intuitive and versatile tool that allows you to manage data in a spreadsheet-like interface while also taking full advantage of Jotform's robust features. To begin, navigate to your Jotform dashboard where you'll find the tables icon. Click on it to open Jotform tables. This is your workspace where you'll be handling your form data. Now it's time to import the data directly from your Jotform forms. At the top of the Jotform tables interface, you'll notice an Import button. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu offering several options. To pull data from your forms, choose the From Jotform Form option. This step integrates your existing forms with Jotform tables, allowing for a smooth data transfer. Once you've selected From Jotform Form, a list of your existing forms will appear. This is where you select the specific form whose data you wish to import. Scroll through and identify the form you need, then click to select it. It's important here to ensure you're selecting the correct form, especially if you manage multiple forms for different projects or teams. Double checking at this stage can save a lot of time and confusion later on. After you've selected your desired form, the system goes to work by linking or copying the form data into your current table. This process is seamless, but you should give it a moment to ensure all data is accurately transferred. Once the import is complete, you'll see your form data reflected in the Jotform tables interface. Here, it's laid out in a clear, organized manner, making it easy for you to perform further analysis, apply filters, or customize how your data is displayed. Now that your data is in Jotform tables, you have a wealth of tools at your disposal to manipulate and view your data as needed. You can easily create graphs, calculate totals, and even link data across different forms for comparative analysis. Understanding how to effectively utilize these features can greatly enhance your productivity and data management capabilities. I hope this guide has been helpful and has set you on the right path to master